Hello, in this particular video I am going to show you the basic of VLOOKUP and match. We have a list of data with model number, item and stock. So VLOOKUP means vertical lookup. It searches the particular value in a column and returns the different value from the particular column. So VLOOKUP here we have entered one item from one model number here. So go to VLOOKUP, open bracket, first one, lookup value, what we are looking. Click on that one, this is the one we are looking, comma, and where we are looking. So select these three column and press $sign in order to lock, press F4 in order to lock. Then column name, which column we need the result of which column, that column we have to enter here. So I'm entering the particular, we have three columns, 1 2 3. I'm entering the second column, item column. The last argument false means we need the approximate match, exact match. See here, if I change the column as 3, then that item stock contains 0 value. In match function, it returns the same term. It looked one particular value, but only it returns the relative position of that column. So first argument, lookup value, second one, the array, the column name, press F4 to lock, 0 for exact match. So S7 contains in the second row. If I take the other model, drag on it, see the stock of that item 250, drag on it, see the position of that item 6. So for match, it returns the relative position of a particular item. In case if I make a list, go to data validation, where click the list, whatever we need the list, just make the list of this. So I am making the list in order to find multiple items. So click on OK, make the list, then we select it. We can use the VLOOKUP as usual here, VLOOKUP, open bracket, what we looking, comma, where we looking, select all, press F4 to lock, comma, which column we want the result, second column, comma, exact match we want. See, we can use the match also, match, open bracket, what we are looking, this one, which column we are looking, use it, comma, 0 for exact match. When I change the item, it will change automatically. So this is the way we can use match and VLOOKUP. We have an example, next example of VLOOKUP plus match. Both we can use together. So if we want to clear the data validation, list clear all, click on OK. It has been cleared. I hope you understand this video. Thank you for